So we have a brand new Kaito KA900 Voyager. It's an emergency radio. It comes packed with features, including your radio. It has shortwave, AM, FM, weather radio. We have Bluetooth. It has MP3 player, weather alert. So as you could see, as far as features, this is the best radio on the market. Comes with rechargeable battery and external antenna. User manual, warranty, emergency preparedness guidebook, which is really cool. So here's the radio. And we look here, hand crank, solar, reading light, and flashlight, okay. Antenna, rechargeable battery, so one really cool thing about this radio that it comes actually with a shortwave external antenna. I really like Kaito antennas because they come with all kinds of nifty little gadgets. So this thing attaches directly to your external antenna. And I apologize for the background. It attaches like this. So, and then your external antenna will plug in here. So, in some of the cheaper radios, you just get an alligator clip. This thing, you actually get a clip. And then you get an actual antenna. And these are really, really cool. I really get good reception with those. So, okay. And finally, the charging cable, which is your typical micro USB cable. All right, so let's try the radio. One really bad thing I just noticed. Wow, the fingerprints really show up on a black screen, but it's okay. When you turn the radio on, it's really nice backlit display. So, shortwave. Let's see. Wait, 104.5. So, let's see if we can get something on AM.
Phone as opposed to face-to-face. And I don't see that changing for a while just because of the risk.
I'm gonna go back to shortwave. Weather. Okay, I'm not sure how the weather works. Wideband. Let's see.
And I think that
the flood advisory
there we
continues
go.
for the Kentucky River.
So this button is actually will turn it on and off alerts, but there's your weather.
At 10:30 a.m. Wednesday, the
And then we
stage.
go back to shortwave. So the other cool feature is that you have features here, which is like you can have a text browser. For some reason it has calendar, radio, music play. So if we select this and a push menu, it will go into the radio mode. Shortwave is better than I expected. So there's the radio. It's way better than I expected. For the price, I think this is the best radio you can get on the market today. Just the features alone is well worth it. I'm extremely happy. I have not found any flaws in it. The menus are maybe a little bit difficult, but it's nothing that the instruction can't explain. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I apologize for the location of the shooting. Just had a brand new baby, so I have to be near the baby. That's why I'm shooting in a dining room, so I could see the baby in the living room from here. I'm hoping my next unboxing video will be in my office. office or outside. Everybody enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.